Good morning, children. Welcome to your EVS class. Today we will be continuing with the topic people at work. The people at work are the people who help us do different things or give their services to us for different things. पीपल एट वर्क वो लोग होते हैं जो अपनी सेवाएं हमें अलग अलग कामों में देते हैं. अगर हमें किसी चीज़ की या असिस्टेंस की ज़रूरत होती है तो हम इन लोगों की सेवाएं लेते हैं. So now first let's revise. Who is this man in the picture? He is a doctor. We have already done these before. We are going to revise them once again. She is a nurse. When we fall sick, the doctor and the nurse assist us. When our teeth rot, who do we go to? We go to a dentist. Who grows crops for us? A farmer. A farmer grows crops for us. The driver drives us all around. The bus conductor assists the driver and gives us tickets and assigns us seats. The cobbler mends our shoe. The barber cuts our hair. The cook cooks food for us. An astronaut travels to space. A teacher teaches us. A tailor stitches our clothes. Now children, let's see some more of the people at work. We will be doing some more people at work. Oh my god, the bulb is not working and there seems to be an electric problem here. So who do I call if I have an electric problem at home? An electrician. An electrician helps with repairs of electric things. अगर मेरे घर में कोई इलेक्ट्रिकल प्रॉब्लम है तो मैं इलेक्ट्रिशियन को बुलाऊंगी. The tap keeps leaking. I've tried to close it so many times but it doesn't stop leaking. So if my bathroom taps are leaking or the kitchen taps are leaking, who do I call to repair the taps? A plumber. A plumber fixes the leakage and the pipes of our home. Let's go for a drive. How nice, beautiful weather. What happened? The car stopped. Oh no. So when the car goes like this or the car gets spoiled, who do you call? You call a mechanic. A mechanic helps us fix our automobiles or our cars. I'm waiting for a letter and it's not coming. Who brings you letters? The postman. The postman brings us letters. Oh no, my garden seems to be going wild. इतना घास उग गया है. क्या करूं? किसको बुलाऊं? Who do I call to keep the garden neat and clean? A gardener. He helps you maintain the garden. Oh, I need to buy some flowers for you. I was thinking you have been such nice children that I need to buy flowers for you. So who do I go to buy flowers from? A florist. We buy flowers from a florist. Yes, Mama always buys vegetables which are fresh and you should eat vegetables. So who sells you vegetables? A greengrocer. A greengrocer sells you vegetables. Can you say greengrocer? The guard is standing at the gate and he will not let me pass. Look at this man. He is standing at the gate and he will not let you pass. So who is he? He is a guard. A guard guards the gate. Remember when I showed you a video of the school? When we talked about the school, we saw the school guard. Let's go buy some toys from a toy shop. So who sells us toys? A shopkeeper. A shopkeeper will sell you things that you need to buy from different shops. Painting the wall. It is such a hard task to do and I am not very good at it. So who do I need to hire to paint my wall? A painter. A painter helps you paint your house or the walls in your house. If you want a house to be built or a wall to be built, you take the help of, who do you take the help of? A mason. A mason is a man who helps you build buildings. He helps you build buildings. आपका घर बनाने में या घर पे कोई दीवार बनाने में हमें जो हेल्प करता है उसको बोलते हैं mason. What is this man doing? He is trying to build something with wood. Yeah, I think he is trying to build a chair. So, who helps us build chairs and table and other furniture? A carpenter. A carpenter helps us build things out of wood. They can be doors, windows or furniture that you sit on. So children, this is the page of your book, page number 13, in which the pictures of the different people at work has been shown. You need to only learn the words. You need to be able to identify the people. For example, when I tell you who helps us fix electric faults in our house, you should be able to tell me electrician. Or when I show you a picture of a plumber fixing a tap and I ask you who is he, you should be able to tell me that he is a plumber. You have to be able to identify the picture and relate them to a word. Now we will do a worksheet. You have to do this worksheet at home. The worksheet is who am I? Match the people with the jobs they do. This is the worksheet that we have. Mama can either draw for you, take out a print or cut pictures and stick them to make the worksheet. So let's see the first picture. He's holding a letter and a bag in his hand. Who do you think he is? He is a postman. What does a postman do? He delivers us letters. Can you see anything which is related to a postman over here? Yes, the second one is a letter. A postman brings us letters. So we will draw a line from the postman to the letter. The next one looks like a greengrocer. Yes, there are a lot of vegetables and a weighing scale and he is selling vegetables. So he is a greengrocer. So what does a greengrocer do? He sells us vegetables. So let's draw a line from the greengrocer to the vegetables. Yes. Now, who is this man over here? He's holding a screwdriver. Looks like a mechanic. And can you see what a mechanic fixes? He fixes our car or our automobile. So let's draw a line from the mechanic to the car. The next one is holding a brick. And I think he is a mason. And what do masons do? They build things. They build houses and walls. So let's draw a line from the mason to the man building a wall. So children, I hope you will do this worksheet and remember the words well. Thank you. I will see you next time.